Some designs never change, not because they're perfect, but because nobody has engineered anything better yet.
Steel ammo cans have been around for over 100 years.
The legacy design's been unchanged since World War II era.
Today, in the modern world, there's a lot more requirements for what the ammo can needs to actually do and perform, but it's so embedded in the culture that it's hard to replace. There's a very limited supply chain of where to actually get ammo cans that can pass the Army's strict requirements.
The wooden wire-bound box is susceptible to mold. It uses toxic preservative treatments to produce that box. The overall configuration is heavy, so that reduces soldier efficiency, and there's just a lot of bottlenecks in overall sustainability and efficiency. We took a first pass at this in 2024. The DEVCOM team came to us and we were tasked with developing one of these alternate material inner packs.
We were working specifically on the fabric inner pack, but there were a couple of different paths that involved plastic. You know, what if you replace it just with cardboard boxes? What if there was no inner pack at all? The project ended up going really well. We made a bunch of different iterations in a very short time, and we were able to collect a lot of critical feedback from the soldiers.
Ultimately, the textile pack fell out of favor because of additional requirements, more focus on holding a seal on that inner pack, and overall durability.
After the soldier touch point and the Army decided to kind of go a different direction away from the fabric, we assumed that was the end of the project. We had completed our requirements, we completed our scope, and we parted ways with that team.
Hello? Yeah, this is Justin. Sometime later, we got a call.
They wanted to continue forward with working with us on the other down-selected options that they had chosen.
In my experience, it's easier to build trust through the process rather than just the outcome. You know, this is a development effort, right? So there's a lot of ideas floating around all the time. There's a lot of concepts, there's a lot of napkin sketches, and I think what our customer valued there was our constant communication of those things going on behind closed doors with them.
The great work that we did on the fabric inner pack led to the next phase of the project and ended up gaining us a long-term customer. We've been working with them since, and the work hasn't slowed down, and we've been involved in all of the testing and assessments since the end of what we thought was the original end of the project. It's not over yet, the project is still ongoing, but at JAKTOOL we really value being able to stick to the problem until the end. So let's get back to work.